here to learn something small about standard form. Standard form simply means writing very huge or small number in a form so that it can easily be visualized. Standard form take in the form m times 10 raised to the power n, where m is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Let's take example of numbers so that it can be written in standard form or scientific notation. Five, 500, 500,000. This is a very huge number. We are coming to write this one in a standard form so that it will be very small for us and easily be visualized. In standard form, when we are moving from, as for me, as I'm standing, if I stand here, this one is my right. So when I'm moving from here, from right getting to left, from right to left, when you move from here to here, it is what? Positive. But when you move from here, from the left to the right, it is negative. Note, left to right is negative and right to left is positive. So when I move from here to from the right to the left is what? Positive, and from the left to the right is negative. So how many times do I move? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I end here because our m should be greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. It shouldn't be 50 because if I move from here up to here, 50 is greater than 10, and that is not in standard form. So writing this one in standard form, so 5.0 times 10 raised to the power. How many did I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved 5, so 5. Very simple. So 500,000 has been expressed in standard form. It's easily visualized. Let's take another example. We've been asked to express this one in standard form. So how are we going to express in standard form? And I said that standard form is of the form m times 10 raised to the power n, where m is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. And also n is the power or the exponent. So let's start. To write this one in standard form, we are supposed to move from right to left because we are coming here. The first number, and after the first number, we have a dot here. So a dot should be placed here, this side. So how are we going to move this one? We are supposed to move from here to express in standard form. So moving from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is times 10 to the power 5. So then we write the remaining answers. So 6.2583. Do not include a 0, or you can include it of your choice. So this one has been written as 6.2583 times 10 to the power 5, and it is easily visualized. Let's take another example which involves moving from left to right.
Example 2, smile. The word I read was S-L-I-M-E, smile. So the correct answer for example 2 is A.
0.00348. We've been asked to write this one in standard form. How are we going to do that? So we want to place our dot here because this is a number, this is a whole number. That is a natural number. But the zeros that are written in front, these zeros, they are not important because when you are counting numbers, you start from 1, 2, 3 going. Zero cannot be what? It cannot be a counting number, it is a whole number. So we have to place our dot here so that we get our standard form. And we said that our m is what? Greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So this one we get when we count from left to right, and I said that counting from left to right is negative, right to left is what? Positive. So let's count 1, 2, 3. So times 10 raised to the power -3. Then you reach it, so it will be 3.48 times 10 raised to the power -3. One more example to solve. Zero point 0.0000513. We've been asked to express this one in standard form or scientific notation. So how are we going to do that? We've already solved more examples. So this one involves moving from left to right. And I said moving from left to right, it involves what? I think we've gotten it correct. It's negative. So moving from left to right is what? Negative. From right to left is what? Positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach here. So it will be 5.1. How many did you move? You move 4. But it is what? Negative assigned to what? The 4. So -4. And this is how it is done. Thank you, each and everyone. And I want each and everyone to subscribe to our channel so that you get more educational facts, more things, and it will help you in everything in your life and your studies, and it will sharpen your brain. Goodbye, each and everyone. Thank you. Stay safe.